Welcome to Hotel Comfort Stay. Hotel Comfort Stay address near NTR Chowk, Adilabad, beside to Naira Petrol Pump, Adilabad. Hotel Comfort Stay is luxurious hotel at budget friendly price. It is first time in Adilabad with luxurious amenities at budget friendly price. AC and non-AC standard rooms available. You can call for bookings. Contact numbers given below. Hotel Comfort Stay. AC rooms and non-AC rooms. AC room price 1200 rupees. Non-AC room price just 800 rupees. You can call for booking. We have given the hotel contact details. Book your stay with Hotel Comfort Stay. First time in Adilabad with